Is that really John Travolta? The star just shocked fans with a bold new look. He appeared at the Cannes Film Festival, sporting a white beret and dyed beard, dividing opinions online. Travolta was there with his daughter, Ella Blue. They attended the premiere of his directorial debut, Propeller, One-Way Night Coach. The film is based on his own children's novel. During the event, he was surprised with an honorary Palme d'Or. His new movie begins streaming on Apple TV on May 29th.